In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new user in Salesforce Lightning. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to send an invite so your teammate can log in right away. You'll need admin permissions to follow along. Start on the Salesforce Lightning homepage. In the upper right corner, click the Settings gear icon. This opens a small menu with quick options. Choose Advanced Setup. That takes you into the full setup area where all user management and configuration lives. On the left side of setup, you'll see the quick find search. In that search field, type users. This is the fastest way to filter the menu and jump directly to what you need. From the filtered results, click users to open the user management list for your org. On the users page, click new. This begins the add user or invite flow. Depending on your org's configuration, you'll see fields for basic details. Here, enter the person's work email address. Double check for typos. This email is where Salesforce will send the invitation link, and in many orgs it also aligns with their username. Remember that Salesforce usernames must be unique across all Salesforce organizations, so if you see a prompt later, you may need a unique email-style username even if it's not a real inbox. Next, select the profile. Click. Select Profile to open the list of available profiles, then choose Standard User. A profile defines the baseline permissions and access level for the user, like what objects they can view or edit. Standard User is a common, secure default for most business users who don't need administrative privileges. If your organization uses custom profiles, be sure the profile you choose matches the person's role and responsibilities. When the email and profile look correct, click Send Invitation. Salesforce immediately generates an email to the address you entered with a secure link to set a password and log in. The invite link is time-limited for security, so let the user know to complete the setup promptly. That's it. You've added a new user and sent their invite. As a quick tip, keep an eye on your available user licenses before creating many accounts. And if the user doesn't receive the email, have them check their spam folder or contact your IT team to allow Salesforce emails. After the user signs in, you can return to the user's page anytime to review their details, adjust their profile if responsibilities change, or resend an invitation if needed. Thanks for watching, and happy administering in Salesforce Lightning.